lalagyan natin yung shades. Okay. Wonderful tonight. Hello, welcome to Paris. We have an appointment. We have a fitting for LV. We're just stuck in a little bit of traffic, but then time is 11 o'clock. Fitting is at 11 o'clock, but we're almost there. It won't really make a difference. Today I am doing my fittings, and I'm gonna go to wonderful presentation with Delvaux. I have a wonderful relationship with Delvaux since I don't remember. It's a very long time, and I'm excited to see. And then I have acne tonight, so we're gonna prepare for that. I just want to say thank you so much for loving our reels, for liking, for supporting. It's really so sweet of you guys, for Fashion Week. It's just really a passion of mine, although it is a job at the same time. It's really a passion of mine, and I extremely enjoy. Although this Paris, I must say we're a little bit tired. So we're gonna take things easy pace, but easy pace in Heart World is not easy pace. But that's just the way we are. We are just always on such a high and enjoying the moment. Paano mo ma-enjoy? Paano mo the moment of time? So, yes. So, it's nice. It's really lovely to, just really see the shows and have fun. It all started out as, it wasn't really a career move of mine. A lot of people are asking, why do you do Fashion Week? It's not a career move. It's just really what I love. I don't move according to planned. Everything is just very organic and natural. So that's what I love about Fashion Week. Coming from the entertainment business, where it's always everything is calculated. There's an image that you have to have. That you only act after 5, 4, 3, 2 action. Here, everything is just organic and natural. Although yung mga pinag-iisipan really are the content, because I love creating, and my whole team, we're all creative, so we love that. But yeah, everything is just quite natural. So we want to enjoy each moment. Nothing is contrived, and I love it. I love it so much, and I guess that's why I enjoy. So thank you so much for always being there and just showing support. I truly appreciate it, and I'm so happy that you guys love my reels. I really enjoyed that. So I guess when you enjoy something, it really comes out, and you're able to kind of translate the messaging of not just the clothes, the show, but how you feel when you wear something. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much. And malapit na tayo, no? Ayun na siya, no? Pag dumiretso. By the way, Tin, La Samaritan is right beside it. No, not yet. We're going to the Louis Vuitton fitting. I'm attending Louis Vuitton. Hey, Kanu. Kanu. Do you have any questions for me? Oh, by the way, I just want to say thank you. These are my second pair. I want to say thank you to my friend Ian from YSL for gifting me, because hindi namin ni Ate Malin malocate yung original shades na pinasold out nyo. Kaya maraming salamat. Yes, do you decide lahat ng... Huh?
Do you decide your outfits or your stylist?
Yes, I decide my outfits, but Isa, say hi, Isa. Isa is always a collaborative. We always have this wonderful relationship of collaborating, and especially when I'm really tired, Isa will help me really think, because I'm really tired here. But I do enjoy it. It's the reason why I attend. It's the reason why I like to go. But it's all made possible with the people in this car. All of my visions come to life, And hindi ko magagawa yun kung wala din. It takes a village also. Any other questions for me?
What exactly is your hair color?
Cherry violet. So you can go to Tony and Guy, look for Bless, SM Aura. She will get the right mix of this color kasi ayoko masyado yung super tingkad. So siya lang makakagawa.
How many invites do you have in Paris Fashion
How
Week?
many? 22 dapat tayo.
22 dapat tayo. Pero
22 dapat kami, pero nagbawas kami because hindi kakayanin talaga. Although I truly love going to all, but hindi lang talaga kakayanan ng schedule. Not because, ano mo yun, walang mga ganong mga effect. Hindi lang talaga kaya ng schedule. And, we're 40 years old.
Madam,
Hindi
ang ganda
pwedeng
po ng
haggard.
pabulaklak sa balikat.
Oh.
Ano pong brand yan?
This is from Marian Zara. It's a local designer that we love. Marian Zara works a lot with Beanie. So this is a 2-year-old Marian Zara set that Isa had made. And nasa apartment ko lang siya. So today was the perfect time to display the affection.
Of the moment.
Of the moment. Paano mo nafe-feel ang moment? Nafe-feel mo ang moment?
I just want to feel this moment.
Yes.
Happy birthday,
Victoria
Yan.
Beckham, yes. I will be attending Victoria Beckham. I love
You are
to attend.
grateful, you are beautiful, you are blessed. Ang
Thank
ganda
you
naman
so
nito.
much. Kasi hindi natin pinipilit yung mga bagay-bagay. Huwag mo talagang ipipilit yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi pag pinilit mo yung mga bagay-bagay, dun nagkakaleche-leche. Diba? Kailangan happiness lang tayo. Ano yun?
Are you planning to change your hair color?
I think at this moment, I really like this hair color. I really like it. Parang nag-blend na siya.
Si Belly
Nag-mesh.
says
Deli! I love you and we miss you. I'm so excited for what we have up our sleeves. Happy birthday, Hilary Duff! Ay, yung kapatid mo,
Yes.
si Madam Mariel.
Mariel.
Madam Mariel, tira mo naman.
Sis.
Yung kapatid mo, sumakses. Ano yun, paano mo, Coach siya.
Kaya natin to.
Paano ba yung
Paano ko
success?
lang na-feel yung moment?
Oo.
It just,
Na-feel mo ang
na-feel
moment.
ko lang yung moment nun. yun na yun.
Parang-
Step by the step.
Step by the step.
By the step.
Step by the step, pero walang inaapakan. Dun mo mafe-feel ang moment.
It's just the imagination.
It's just the imagination of the desolation para walang abomination of desolation. Kasi pag inimagine mo, tapos tumapa ka, nagkaka-abomination of desolation. Yun. Happy birthday, Hill!
Thank you. Kung sino man yung mga bumabati
Si ano, kapatid ni Isa.
No, my lips aren't tattooed.
Oo nga,
I just
hindi.
outlined this. This is from Hill. Si Hill birthday pero ginif niya sa akin. This is Celine. Anong kulay? Nako,
Rose.
sis.
Iba yan.
Nakalimutan ko. But I mixed it with Get Ready na parang white, like metallic eyeshadow. Back. Ano pa bang questionnaire?
What kind of perfume do you wear po?
Mugler. Always naman din. Happy birthday daw, Hill, sabi ni Sir Jeff.
Ay, hello po. Thank you po.
Happy birthday daw sabi ni Nestle.
Hello, thank you sa ano.
Word salad? What do you mean by
Thank you sa
word
cherries
salad?
din.
Parang halo-halo,
Cherries.
ganon?
Cherries.
Okay na ako sa word salad pag pagod kasi naman halo-halo na nilagyan ng nor. Happy birthday. How do you handle the weather? No, but the weather is really, really good. The weather is good. It's cold, but then the sun is out. Hindi ako masyado masaya na the sun is out because of the skin. So, yes. Yesterday once more.
What's
Sabi
your
ni
go-to
Season,
meal when in
sumakses na
Paris?
kayo dyan.
Go-to
Go
meal?
for it.
Protein.
Sweet.
I always have protein. Ano pa? Ang mga pa-questions nyo. Bakit ka... 11-11, nag-sign of the cross.
Kailangan daw step ng step ang pag-success, sabi no.
Yes, pero hindi naman dapat yung step the step para sumakses. Hindi naman yun contrive, hindi naman yun yung parang when you do what you do in anything and you hopefully become successful, it's not something that, of course you manifest, like you envision because you love it, but it's not like you have to calculate your steps because ganito. Walang calculate. Isayaw mo. isayaw mo at i-feel mo yung moment. Because you're enjoying it, diba? Hindi yung parang plano ka ng hindi ganun yun. Then it's not, how do I say? It's not organic. It has to, with everything, with career, ganyan, you do have like your side notes and the things that you need to do, but you have to truly love it, and you don't have to calculate your steps. You have to dance with the flow of what happens, what goes on, because you truly love it. And if you're tired, you slow down, but then you just keep going, keep dancing till you want to. For me, yun yung parang nature ang success.
Bear. Wala.
Wala
Says
na.
may nag-a-ask, what is a good sunscreen but not so mahal but quality?
Tsaka yung maganda yun. Tsaka yung Luxel.
Luxels,
In fairness kay Luxel, wala siyang puting tint. This is the
Luxel yun ang
spray.
gamit ko.
Yun yung gamit mo. Wala siyang tint. And then I also like yung mga, yun? Yung parang stick. Yung mga stick.
UV.
Mga UV, ganyan. I like that. But I like the Luxel because it has a spray.
Sino daw ang nagko-conceptualize ng mga reels mo ngayon?
Of course.
From
The
day
and
one.
only, and the
From
only
day
one.
one.
Behind every successful woman
Is
herself.
Wow! No, is a dog. That follows her to the... Okay, guys, I'm here at my fitting and I'm a little late, so I have to go. Love you guys. Thank you. Basta sayaw lang ng sayaw. Enjoy your life. Walang calculated steps dito. Enjoy mo lang. Kung may dumating, be happy. Kung walang dumating, still be happy. Everything is for a reason. Nothing has to be so contrived. And just enjoy life. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Okay? Thanks for everything. Thank you so much.